Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. Okay, so general and love reading ngayong mid-December. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, kung may tanong kayo pagdating kay Granter, okay, si Granter. Kung meron kayong tanong pagdating kay love bracelet, kay cord cut, and sa ating mga protection from evil eye, we have ring, meron tayong bracelet, meron tayong necklace. Okay, so yeah, just message me. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the general. Ano bang meron ngayong mid-December for you, Sagittarius, in general? Okay, so kung meron akong makitang specific, babanggitin ko rin. Don't you worry. Okay, so let's see. Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Sag. Oh, the Six of Cups. Somebody is missing you, thinking of you, looking at your pictures, back reading sa mga naganap na mga usapan before. Yeah, somebody is missing you in general. In general, who's this Six of Cups? Who's this someone? The Lovers in reverse. Nawalan na kayo ng connection. May nangyaring breakup. Your ex misses you. They miss you. Andun yung, ang daming lang tanong, ano kaya nangyari kay Sag? Diyan na kayang meron sa kanya ngayon? Some of them, they want to reach out. To clear things out. To clear the air. Yeah. Some of them. Gemini, water, aqua, air sign. Okay? Yeah. May mga nakakamiss sa'yo in general. Diba? So, what else for you, Sag? What else? Okay, the Three of Swords in reverse. Some of you, you're healing or maybe nakaka-move on na, no? So, may chance na hindi masyadong nakaka-stress yung energy about love. Okay, ngayong mid-December. Some of you, kasi maybe you're choosing to heal. Okay, kung ikaw yun, very good. Very good, oo. So, what's with this Three of Swords? In reverse. The Four of Swords, yeah. Taking a break. Oo, parang ganyan. Taking a break from pain, no, diba? Taking rest. Oo, tsaka na. Oo, parang ganyan. Papahinga muna ako ng kauntian and then sabak uli next year. De joke lang. Yeah, kasi iba sa inyo talaga dumaan na sa healing process na sinasabi, whether bypass or hindi. Okay? Whether bypass yung ginawa nyong healing or talagang ginawa nyo yung totoong process ng healing, then kung naging maganda naman ang result, then okay, di ba? So, yeah, the Nine of Wands, you're guarded. Yeah, being guarded. So, maybe some of you will not allow energies na maka-apekto sa'yo. Like, lalo na yung mga nakakasakit. Okay? You're maybe guarding yourself more this mid-December. Okay? Guarding yourself. Iba sa inyo, mas pipiliing maging single. Yeah. I don't know why. So, maybe, yun nga, pwedeng mahinga muna pagdating sa love. Okay? So, there's this air sign who is always thinking of you. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, what else? Okay, the King of Cups in reverse. Yeah, you're not open pagdating sa love. You're not open. You're being guarded. You're guarding your heart. Oo. Anyway, what's with this King of Cups in reverse? The Four of Wands. Hey, Sag. Hey. Oh my God. Pwedeng masabotahin ninyo. Okay? Kasi iba sa inyo, ayoko muna. I will guard myself. Oh, stay single. Pwedeng masabotahin mo yung papasok na bagong connection na may potential. Sabihin nating may long-term longevity. Energy ng sabihin nating may stability dito. Okay? And yeah, this is something like energy of marriage. Okay? Yeah. Oh no. Iba sa inyo, pwede meron kang i-reject and hindi mo alam siya na pala yun. Oh no. Okay. King of Cups. Sino to? Para malaman mo. Sino tong King of Cups na ito in reversed? The Empress. The Empress. Yeah. The one na pwedeng sabihin nating may strong connection with. Some of them, sabihin nating stable. Some of them, they look, sabihin nating attractive. Whether, yeah, Empress, Emperor, they are attractive. Some of them, stable. Okay? Your divine person, divine counterpart. Your divine counterpart. Again, your divine counterpart. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. I-reject mo. I don't know. So, may chance ng ganyan. Okay? May chance. I'm seeing here pregnancy. Yeah. Pwede may age gap kayo ng tao. Okay? Age gap. Yeah, judgment in reverse. It's time. It's time. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. For you, some of you, kung ikaw, if you're a single parent, kung alam mo sa sarili mo, ayoko na ng love, gusto ko na lang ganito ako, masaya na kami ng mga anak ko or ng anak ko, kahit ganito kami, then, i-embrace mo yon. Okay? Kasi si Empress, Emperor, hindi rin naman yan kailangan ng someone, okay, to survive. They can provide. Okay? May energy talaga ng marriage, oh. The Six of Wands. Pero yeah, whether kung ano man ang maging decision mo, there's victory, there's success in everything. Okay? In everything. Yeah, see the Emperor. Lumabas, oh. Diba? Yeah. This is your divine counterpart. The Emperor, the Empress. Somebody is not yet ready, maybe. Or maybe ikaw, darating tong talagang para sa'yo. Pero hindi ka pa handa. I don't know. Or sabihin natin, ayoko. Sayang. Para sa iba. Okay, anyway. So, yun, ang akin na nakikita. Some of you, I'm seeing here progress sa business. Okay, progress. Maybe a lot of customers, clients, or tatas lang talaga. Okay, yung sales in general. Okay, so let's proceed sa iyong person. Okay, Sagittarius placements. Let's see who is this person you're thinking of. Who is this? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is this person, Sag? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa taong yan? Again, your first card doon sa general. Your ex. Okay, somebody na pwedeng nakakaramdam ka ng strong connection. Pwedeng soul recognition. Okay, you have this strong soul tie with this person. Okay, what's with this 6 of Cups? The 7 of Wands. There's this tension, there's this blockage. Some of you, binlock mo to or binlock ka. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune inversed. There's this tension in general pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Tension. You like this person. Yeah, they like you. Pero there's tension here. Maybe the situation is not, sabihin nating tama. Okay? Anyway, this is blockage. You're blocking this person. Maybe. Or them. What's the situation right now? Current. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon, Sag? Anong kailangang malaman? Ano bang meron sa sitwasyon? The Chariot. Something's needing progress, I think. What's with this Chariot? Yeah, Judgment. Somebody wants to reconcile here. Somebody wants to take action para makaalis sa cycle, para makaalis. Someone needs to decide. Okay, you're the King of Pentacles, the King of Cups. Some of you, you're in a relationship na pwedeng same gender kayo. Okay? Yeah, reconciliation card. Meron ditong gusto makipagbalikan, pero andun yung tension. Okay? Nandun yung tension, nandun yung block. Yeah. So, I think sa situations sa inyo ngayon, kailangan may gumawa ng action para may mangyari. Para may mangyaring something, may mangyaring maganda. I saw 12/24. For me, that's December 24. I think there's something specific, significant, okay, about December 24. Pwede may mangyari by December 24. I think that's so specific. Pwedeng may chance na gumawa ng action towards you by December 24. Kahit sabihin nating end na ng month yun, by end of the month. Pero yeah, I get that. Anyway, what is their emotion right now? Their emotion. So we have here Cancerian and Scorpio, water and fire. Emotion niya ngayon sa'yo, the 3 of Swords. Why? So, ramdam na ramdam ang breakup, no? Ayaw ng taong tong totally mawawala ka sa kanya, actually. Yeah, see, the Ace of Pentacles, wanting to have a new beginning with you. Yeah, another chance. Let's see, what's with this 3 of Swords? Yeah, the 4 of Swords, they want to contact. They want to reach you. To reach you out, they want to message you. You're in their mind. Okay, you're in their mind. You're living in their head rent-free. Yeah. Being hopeful. Pagdating dito sa connection nyo na to. Okay, they're thinking of you. Every day, every night. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Ang taong to, sa tingin ko, nagpaplano, okay? Hindi niya para aksayahin yung isang bagay or isang desisyon. Okay? Like, ayokong gumawa ng isang desisyon na pwedeng masira lang din. Ayaw niya nun. Okay? Yeah. Some of them talaga, gustong makausap ka. So, may chance na, some of you, if you're in no contact, may chance na babasagin niya yung no contact. Okay? They want to speak. They want to talk. Yeah. Gusto nitong makalimutan na lahat ng pain. Okay? Gusto nito magkaroon ng kapatawaran sa inyong dalawa actually. They want that. Kapatawaran sa isa't isa. Okay. Let's see. What's your next action? Aside sa pag-reach out. Okay. Given na yun. Pag-reach out na to. Nakikita ko na. Okay. So, ano ba ang next action niya for you, Sag? The Three of Pentacles in reversed. So, ito yung mga hindi na pagkasunduan noon. Anong meron dyan? The Ten of Wands. Some of them, merong mga aako ng kasalanan. Aamin sa mga kasalanan. Gagawa ng, sabihin nating, mga responsibilidad para may ayos, mai-fix yung mga kailangan sa sitwasyon ninyo. See? They want this. They want the sun. They want happiness. They want you. They love you. They want a new beginning with you. They're coming with an offer. Yes. Whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. You're blocking this person, I think. Yeah. Inaayawan mo na to or sabihin nating andun pa rin yung inis mo, galit mo. Yeah. They want to commit this time. Commitments. Wow. Anyway. Okay, so advice. Anong advice / outcome ninyong dalawa? Let's see. Strength in reversed. Guard down. Kailan ako nagsabi nun? Lagi tayong guard up. Okay? Now, this time, you have to guard down. You have to lower your guard. Sag, lower down your guard. Okay? Alisin ang tension. Strength inversed. Eight of Swords. Alisin ang tension. Alisin ang mga kung ano man na nasa isip. Para mawala, open the line of communication. Okay? Just open the line of communication. Hindi sinasabi na makipagbalikan ka. Okay? Magkaroon muna ng open conversation or sabihin nating pagkakaintindihan. Okay? I think may magandang patutunguhan to. Kung hahayaan nyo na magkaroon ng magandang conversation sa inyong dalawa. Magandang komunikasyon. Okay? The Seven of Swords. Hindi kita masisisi. Okay? May pinanghuhugutan eh. May pinanghuhugutan. May chance na talagang nag-cheat sa'yo to or gumawa talaga ng hindi maganda sa past. Okay? So, yun yung parang dahilan kung bakit ganyan. Yung kung bakit hindi ka nag-guard down or sabihin nating andoon yung galit, andoon yung parang pag-ayaw mo sa tao. Okay? Hindi kita masisisi. Anyway, so, they want to fix this. They want to clear the air with you. Okay? So, it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay? So, kung ano man ang galit, kung ano man ang emosyon, iset aside nyo muna. Iset aside nyo muna kasi makaka-apekto yan sa maaaring maging flow ng conversation. Okay? Logic lang muna sa ngayon. Yeah. Okay? Kasi hindi maaalis daw yung mga sabihin nating still nag-hold back or still sabihin nating sugat. Okay? Yeah. Magli-leave talaga ng scar yon. Pero, yeah. Maghihil at maghihil naman. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Air sign, Leo. So, we have here Earth, Fire. A lot of air, Scorpio. We have Cancer. and fire and water. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita for you, Sag. This is nice. Sana magkaroon kayo sana ma-fix everything. Okay? Yung inyo, kung ano mang issue meron, sana ma-fix in general. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sagittarius placements. Let's see. Aries. Okay. Attracted sa'yo. They like you. Taurus. They want cooperation. Gemini. Answers. They want to clear things. They want communication with you. Cancer. They have future plans for you. They're thinking of future with you. Leo. They have plans. Some of them, they like you secretly. Okay, liking you secretly. Virgo, they need you. They want to see you. Pero hindi lang nila pinapakita na gusto nila yon, na gusto ka nila. Gusto kang makita, gusto kang makausap. Hindi nila pinapakita yon, pero ganun yung nasa kanila, deep down from this Virgo. Okay? So, Libra, they're invested. Some of them, they're waiting for you makipag-usap. Okay? An opportunity maybe, an open door of opportunity. Scorpio, some of them, they have money issue. Money. Okay? Commitments. Meron din issue. Sagittarius. Okay. So, nandito yung unfinished business. Okay? Cycles. Repeats. Capricorn. So, there's this blockage. Pendings, delays. Some of you, pwede may chance na i-block ka ni Capricorn or i-block mo itong Capricorn na to. Aqua, they want to, sabihin nating alisin. Oo. Yung mga katoksikang meron sa inyo. Ayaw nila ng katoksikan. Next, Pisces. Okay. Some of them, hindi na sila gaanong nag-iisip pagdating sa connection or pagdating sa inyo or something lang na hindi mo masyadong istresin pagdating dito kay Pisces. Meron kang kailangang hindi masyadong pagka-istresan. Okay? Pwedeng kaya, vice versa. Okay, so yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!